い方。はいや。
Nice cold 22-degree day. There's my smoking bunny, little Anakin. It's definitely cold here in Northeast Ohio. Well, we got some charcoal going. Then we'll go cherry wood the rest of the way. I have a piece of cherry wood in there now. Today we are doing ribs. I've done multiple rib videos, so I'm not going into detail on seasonings, but it's 3 different flavors today. A coffee one, a spicy one, and my normal one. Alright, we are going. There's a spicy one, a coffee one, and my regular cherry rub. Just put a split of cherry. Alright, it's been a little over an hour. I just put another split in. I did just spritz with apple cider. Temperature is down because I had it open, obviously. Charcoal's going, cherry wood's in. Coming up. That is the spicy, the coffee, and my normal rib cherry blend. Rib day, definitely my favorite day. Alright, we are at the 2-hour mark. Temperature's rolling good. Looking good. We're about 2 hours in, getting great color. That's the Starbucks coffee, the spicy, and the cherry.